Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Duman here, and today we are going to discuss or learn how can we move our player in the Unity using the Unity input system and using the keyboard keys, arrow keys and the WASD. Okay, so now you can see we have a dummy character here in front of us in the scene view, and let's click on the play button. Now if I try to click any keyboard keys or arrow keys, you can say my player not moving. So the first thing of that issue is that we not attach the script inside the game object. First we need to check that. Let's attach a script here. So here we have a script attached on the player. Let's try to play again, and now if I click on the arrow key, so now we can see our player is start moving. So another issue that can be happen is that we have a new input system. You can say we have a new input system selected. Okay, so the reason is that if we have a new input system select and we are using the script, you can say the old input method, then it will not work. So for that we have to choose the input system. Here you can see we have active input handling, so we have to select the both or the old one if you want to do via the coding. Okay, so if you have a new input system or you can say the new logic implemented, then you have to select the input system new one, then it will work, otherwise it will not work. All right, so basically we have a script here and we just use our input axis. So we get the horizontal and the vertical input, and next we just give the direction and the use a method Transform.Translate. Basically that's why our player is moving. So we have a no collider attach on the player, and we have a no rigid body attach. So right now our player is not using the physics space. So if we try to play again, we can see that our player is just passing through the terrain, and we can say it's on the height. Okay, so the next we have a character with a character controller. Basically here you can see we have this character with a character controller, and we have a script attached on it, and we have a character controller as well. Okay, basically I just adjust the you can say the collider height, the radius, and at the center. And here we have a script attached where we use the character controller and we use the gravity as well. So by using that, what will happen if we play? Let's see. So by using the character controller, we can see our player moving on the terrain according to the terrain collider. You can see, yeah. So this is how the player moving using the character controller and the Unity Transform.Translate. Okay, so now we have a next character. Basically this character use the rigid body, it's physics based character, and we have a capsule collider attached on it, and we have a character movement script attached as well. So inside that script, what we use basically we use the input method as well. We get the axis of the horizontal or the vertical, and after that what we did, we use a rigid body to start moving our player basically on the fixed update. And next we have a little you can say modification here. We use the animator as well, and we use the collision for the is grounded state basically. So if we start that game, then what will happen, let's see. So basically this is our character with the animator attached on it, and if we click mouse click, then we can see there is an attack animation happen. If we try to press WASD or arrow key, then we can see our character is moving and the camera is following as well, because we have a camera script attached on the main camera, and main camera is following the player A basically. Here we can see. Okay, so we can jump as well. Basically this is physics base, and for example if we just make the height above, then it will fall. For example, if we just have a player with a character controller, here we can see if we make its height above, then it will not fall, and same with the case of the translate, basically the character not falling. It's because we not attach a rigid body here, and for example if we attach a rigid body, then it will fall for sure. Okay, so basically these are the few things that we have to remember by, you can say, making a game mechanics. So all the things are very important, and if you just counter that you can say issues or do accordingly in a sequence, then you will not get a problem that your player is not moving using the arrow keys or using the WASD keys. So thank you, this is the topic for today.